Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an effective backlog for your Kanban board in Jira. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a dedicated space for incoming tasks even in Kanban, so your team can prioritize and prep work before it hits the main workflow. This trick is super useful if you want structure but without the rigid gates of Scrum. We'll handle everything right inside Jira step by step. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is configure a hidden backlog column, and to do this, you'll need Jira admin access. If you aren't an administrator, now's the time to reach out to your Jira admin. Don't worry, these changes are safe, reversible, and pretty common, especially for teams that want a little more order in the initial work intake. So as an administrator, head to your board settings. We're going to add a brand new status to your workflow. Think of this as a waiting room for issues before they're ready for the main board. Call it something like backlog or triage, whatever feels right for your team. Naming matters because you want everyone to instantly understand what this column is for without confusion. Once you've created this new status, it's time to add it to your board. Go to your board settings and navigate to the columns section. Here, you'll see a list of your current columns. You want to map your new backlog status to a fresh column. Drag it to the very first position at the far left of your Kanban board. Putting it first reinforces the idea that this is the entry point for all new work, just like sorting mail before it's delivered. Now, sometimes you don't actually want this backlog to show up on the main visual board, screaming for attention or cluttering the focus for your team. Maybe your developers get easily distracted, or you want a cleaner, action-focused view. Jira lets you hide columns, sort of like tucking papers into a folder. In the columns configuration under board settings, click on your new backlog column. You'll see an option that says collapse all issues in this column. Select that, and now any issues in your new backlog column will be neatly hidden, out of sight on the board but still safely stored in the system. If you or your team ever need to check what's waiting in the backlog, just click the column name to expand it. Nothing is lost, it's all right there. This setup is honestly like having a staging area backstage at a play. You bring actors your issues on stage when you want to, but they're organized and waiting in the wings until you're ready. If at any point you want to see everything, expand the backlog column and you'll be good to go. Remember, don't worry if you need to tweak the column placement, status naming, or even visibility later. Jira is flexible, and you can adjust these settings anytime as your team's needs evolve. And that's it, you now have your own hidden backlog right on your Kanban board. This helps you focus on the work in motion, while still being able to manage and prioritize upcoming tasks without chaos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or maybe tips from your own experience, drop a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more Jira tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.